The Dakota Alert VS-250 vehicle sensor kit provides a dependable hardwired driveway alarm that focuses specifically on moving vehicles rather than general motion. Its buried metal detecting probe creates a generous detection zone of roughly 10 to 12 feet around the driveway, so approaching cars are picked up before they reach the house. Because the sensor responds only to moving metal, it largely avoids nuisance triggers from parked cars, swaying branches, or passing animals. The included direct burial cable is long enough for most residential layouts, allowing the probe to be placed near the drive while the control box sits safely inside a garage or home. An adjustable sensitivity dial inside the control box lets you fine-tune how easily the system reacts, which is especially useful for tailoring performance to different driveway lengths and traffic conditions. Installation is straightforward for a wired system, with the probe and cable designed to be buried using basic yard tools and the control box simply plugging into a standard household power outlet.